Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting showcase of how AI can transform ID document processing. In this video, we'll demonstrate a powerful AI-driven solution using AWS Textract that can instantly extract and organize information from ID documents without any manual work. So we'll start by looking at the common challenges businesses face when handling ID documents. Then introduce AWS Textract, a game-changing AI tool that makes ID data extraction fast, accurate, and seamless. Of course, we'll see it in action with the demo and wrap up with how and who can benefit from this. So let's jump right in and take a look at the problem. Traditional ID processing is slow and manual. ID verification should be quick and seamless, but in many organizations, it's still a manual process. Employees have to scan, read, and enter details manually, which takes valuable time and slows down operations. Also, it's error-prone. When humans enter data, mistakes happen. A misspelled name, incorrect date of birth, or missing digits in an ID number can cause serious problems, leading to delays, compliance issues, and frustrated customers. There is also the matter of tedious bulk processing. Now imagine dealing with hundreds or even thousands of IDs every day. Whether it's for customer onboarding, security checks, or compliance, manual processing large volumes is exhausting and inefficient. Moreover, there is inconsistent formats as well. To make things even harder, IDs come in different formats: driver's license, passports, national IDs, employee badges, etc., each with a unique layout and structure. Traditional systems struggle to handle this variety, requiring extra effort to manually adjust and verify information. But what if we could eliminate these problems entirely? Imagine an AI-powered solution that can instantly extract ID details, handle different formats, and eliminate manual effort. And that's where AWS Textract comes in. Manual data entry is outdated. With AWS Textract, we are bringing in a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to extract information from ID documents, which is fully automated, highly accurate, and lightning fast. So here is how it works. You simply start by uploading an ID document, whether it's a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Then AWS Textract scans, understands, and extracts key details like names, dates, ID numbers, and more with near perfect accuracy. And within seconds, you have structured machine-readable data ready to be used without any manual entry, without any errors, just results. So now that we know how it works, let's take a look at how it solves our problem. So, using Amazon Textract to extract information from ID documents eliminates manual work. So no more typing out details from IDs, the AI handles it for you. Also, it provides faster processing. So you get instant results whether it's one ID or 100. It is also accurate and reliable, so there would be no more errors, missing details, or inconsistent data to deal with. And last but not the least, it handles any ID structure. So there is no need to worry about different formats or layouts. Textract adapts automatically. So there is no more struggling with different formats, illegible handwriting, or inconsistent layouts. AWS Textract intelligently adapts and ensures you get clean, usable data every time. So, ready to see this in action? Let's check out how this AI-powered tool extracts data in seconds. So we'll start by running the app. Now that the app is live, we'll open it in a browser. So as you can see here, this is our app and the interface is pretty minimal and basic and very to the point. So it's very apparent what we need to do. First, I'll upload an image of an ID document. So Let's start. We'll start with a passport. These are some random documents that we have acquired from the internet. Then I'll click on process. Now Textract is working on extracting the information from the document, and you can see that it took 2.66 seconds to extract information from this passport. Okay, now let's see what all information have been extracted in here. So the first name has been correctly identified in here, the last name as well. Then the middle name was also identified here from the given name automatically by Textract. And then we also have the document number here. We have the date of issue, which is here. This is also exactly same. Then the type of ID is also mentioned in here. So Textract is recognizing this ID document as a passport. And then the place of birth and the MRC code. So this is how this app works. We have also mentioned the confidence score with which the model is extracting all these information. Okay, so basically what it means is the model is 97.2% sure that Jocelyn is the first name, and so on. And what's more, we have the option to download these as well. So all these details that have been extracted, we are able to get it into an Excel file. And so you can see there are some field types and their values which have been extracted from the document along with the confidence score. Now here's the catch. Since Textract is able to work with different kind of documents, ID documents to be particular, it has a certain standard of field types which should be available in a particular ID document. So currently in this passport, there are only these information that have been mentioned. So only they have been populated in here. To understand it better, if we pass in any other ID document, which is, let's say, having endorsements in it as well, then this field will also be populated. So this is how it works. Let's try it with another document. I'll select another document. This time it would be a driver's license. Okay, I'll click on process. So now Textract is working behind the scene, and it took 1.67 seconds to extract information from this particular driver's license, which is from California, USA. Now you can see that the first name has been identified correctly, word to word, there is no typo. The last name as well. Okay, then this is the address bit in here, as you can see here, and Textract has extracted all the information correctly. You see, it has identified the city in the address, which is any town. It has identified the zip code on its own. It also identified the state and the state name, full name as well, and here the address as well, like the main address. So this is how powerful AWS Textract is, and you can also see that it's pretty much confident in its extraction as well. Like, it's very sure that whatever information has been extracted is pretty much correct. Then we have the document number as well, which have been identified correctly. The expiration date, the type of ID here is currently a driver's license. So it is identifying this as well. And it's also mentioning that this is the front of the particular driver's license. So there's this kind of granularity in the results as well. Now it is also extracting endorsements. Since there are no endorsements mentioned in here, it's mentioning it as none, right? So because it has been mentioned here. And then the class of the license as well has been mentioned in here. So you see how versatile it is. It works with passports and driver's license. Let's try with another document. So here it also took 2.37 seconds. Like within seconds, it's extracting the information, and you can see here that it has been identifying the first name and the last name correctly. The address again has been identified correctly as well. The document number. The document number is also mentioned here, which have been identified correctly. This is a driver's license from Washington. The earlier one was from California. So there is a little bit difference in the structure and layout. But you can see that that's not stopping AWS Textract to extract information from the IDs. Let's try another one. So this is a passport sample here, this ID document, and you can see that it works seamlessly. It just took 2.21 seconds. And the best part is that it works on bulk processing too. So whether you need to scan a single ID or thousands, the process remains just as fast and accurate per document. Okay. And by adopting this feature in your workflow, you can make your processes more faster and more secure as well, without any kind of typos and anything. Whatever is mentioned in there in the document would be extracted and handed over to you. In an Excel file, the format could be anything. It could be a CSV file, it could be a Word document, however you want it. Or even if not in a document, you can just integrate it into your workflow, where Textract would extract all of the information and then it would be populated in all of the forms where it's needed. So this is the power of this tool. Imagine the possibilities for your own business. So that's all for the demo. Let's move on to the next section. So now that we have seen the demo, let's see why AWS Textract is the perfect solution for ID document processing. So first of all, it provides speed and automation. So no more waiting and no more manual efforts. AWS Textract processes IDs in seconds, instantly extracting and structuring key details. Whether you are handling a single document or thousands, automation makes it effortless. It also provides high accuracy. So precision matters, especially when dealing with ID verification. AWS Textract ensures highly accurate data extraction, minimizing human errors and eliminating inconsistencies. So no more typos and no more missing information. Just clean and reliable data every single time. It also works with any ID structure. It's versatile. So different layouts are not going to be a hassle. Whether it's a passport, a driver's license, national ID, or any other format, AWS Textract adapts seamlessly. So no need to predefine templates. It intelligently detects key fields no matter the document type. It's also secure and scalable. Data security is a top priority. AWS Textract ensures end-to-end encryption, keeping sensitive ID details protected. Plus, whether you are a small business or an enterprise, this solution scales effortlessly to handle high volume with ease. So, now that we know how it's beneficial, let's see who stands to benefit the most from this game-changing automation. So let's explore. First, we have businesses and HR teams. They can automate document verification while onboarding new employees and verifying their identities, cutting down paperwork and ensuring a smooth hiring process with no more delays, just quick and secure ID validation. Next, we have banks and financial institutions. From customer onboarding to KYC compliance, banks and financial institutions handle thousands of IDs daily. AWS Textract makes it easy to extract details instantly while ensuring regulatory compliance and reducing fraud risks. Then we have travel and security agencies. Whether it's airports, border control, or travel agencies, ID verification is a critical step. AWS Textract helps process passport, visas, and travel documents faster and more accurately, ensuring a seamless and secure experience. So you can enhance efficiency, reduce errors, and boost security across industries. So whether you need ID processing for HR banking, security, or any custom workflow, AWS Textract can be seamlessly integrated into your system. Our team at Codersarts specializes in AI-driven solutions custom built to fit your needs. So if you want to integrate this into your business, contact us today. You can reach out to us at our email ID, which is contact@codersarts.com, or you can visit us at our website www.codersarts.com to discuss your project. Let's build something amazing together. Did you like the video? Please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, drop a comment to let us know your thoughts. Want more AI-powered solutions? Stay tuned.